52, stay with me closely because this next verse will show us the extent of God's love and why the enemy cannot stand us. In James chapter 2, verse 25, God says, Rahab the harlot is righteous to me. Now just imagine Satan presents his case in front of God. All the evidence, overwhelming facts, undeniable truths. And God looks at the case, everything Rahab has ever done, and he says, yes, this is the judgment. She's righteous to me. The enemy's going crazy because this makes no sense. To make it worse, God never renamed her. He never looked away from her past. He didn't excuse anything she ever did. He looked at Rahab the way she was, every crime she ever committed, and said, she is righteous to me. This is a love that you cannot wrap your mind around. Listen, Group 52. If you want, you can live the rest of this year the way you lived the first half. But if you want to be even more free, if you want to live life with a new sense of freedom, join me this Sunday, June 21st, as I preach a chain-breaking message about the love of a father. Don't be bound by your past, the things that you've done. Chase, embrace, and live free in the love of your Father. God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.